So, are you making fast fashion or better high-end products? The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it! Which leads me into the next section, which is production process. Production process. So you've designed something, right? Well, now you have to make it. How are you going to manufacture it? That could be challenging at times. You have to find a factory, right? And not all factories are the same. It has to be the right factory, meaning it has to have the right sewing machines. For example, if you were making activewear, right? If you look carefully at the seams of your leggings or tops, they're made with a special machine called flat lock machines, which means that the factory needs to have flat lock machines. They're expensive. If you were making leather, the factory needs to be able to handle leather and so on. And even a simple t-shirt. There are many ways to make a t-shirt. You can buy 50 yards, 100 yards of fabric, a specific fabric that you like. You can cut it and sew it. Or you can buy a pre-made t-shirt and design your own ideas onto it or modify it and so on. Which leads me to the next topic, print on demand. What is print on demand? Just like the word says, you print when there is a demand for it. Meaning, when someone orders that t-shirt from you, then the t-shirt gets made and shipped to the customer. That means no inventory. The advantage of not having any inventory means you don't have to have 1,000 t-shirts in your warehouse hoping that they will sell, right? Being able to start a company with very low finance and overhead, that's terrific. If you want to find out more about that, just Google print on demand, okay? So, we've got a lot more to cover. I will see you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.